Hi, this is Master Ken. Today I'm going to show you a demo how a decision maker use Excel differently in cost analysis. So how to identify the gap and opportunities with the Excel advanced skill. Now for example, you own a several mama store and there is you sell curry and roti, right? So how does that food cost, the curry and roti, the food cost, and the sales of curry and roti are related to each other? So you can see that this is a fictitious mama store, and we have all this thing here. So if you cannot identify the current food cost, then you can't improve. So it also related to what McKinsey's analysis about. Their research area identified 56 foundational skills that will help you thrive in the future of work. What is that? So 4 area, 56, and there's a 13 skills group. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 13. So I want to mention these two. So for an entrepreneur to have the courage and to take risks, to cut costs, to increase sales, how do you know increase sales? Right, without this data analysis, you can't do it. You can't take any risk at all without a reliable data analysis. And data analysis is critical, and also you need to visualize it. Now, what do I mean? Okay, are you ready? I can say you're ready. Yes. Let's look at this one here. Now, this is a piece of gold, right? If you know what it means, it's very cool, right? Now, very critical, not just cool, right? Now, you see that there is a lie that my client asked me, right? How is it that currently he want to the person's it says a financial controller, right? So it's using this thing to draw the line. This is to represent the line that you cannot classify, but every month have to change it. The person have to change it here or here, but this is manually. So sometimes it may be like this. Sometimes you draw again. Yeah, wrong. Okay. So the financial controller of FC, right? Financial controller is asking, how do you how to it's manually changed. It's very this one tedious thing, right? So that's what they ask. But I actually do more than that. Right? Let's look at this. So that is the sales line right here, right? So now I just change. You see, that's 20%, right? What I change to 23%, it will goes to here. Look at that. And okay, now my client only asked this, but I give them more. What does that mean? Let's take a look. Ta-da! Haha! Look at that. So now you can have this. Look at this. Right, I don't need to change that one by one. I don't even need to change the title. I just need to move this here. If I move it here, I'm not gonna say that's one. And then if I want to go here, right? You see here, this is 20%. Now if I change it to 23%, and it'll be here. But where's the line? And I purposely make this here. So you select this item, go to format, and I change add a line, and you can see that this is 2 dot become a line. So that is where you go for, right? So let's say you change to 25%. You see here? So now you can take a look at where is the roti and curry position is, where is the gap, where is the identify opportunity, right? It's just like you go into the battle and then you want to know, before you go into the battle, you need to look at the terrain, um, how is the land land structure like, and where it is that we can put our army to the best use, safest, right? And where is the weakness of the enemies. So you want to know this, but to look at just this number will not be sufficient. You need to visualize it. So now this chart will really help you. So in the, and if you want to go into, let's say I want to look at the certain particular items, I can just click here and then go to here. Right now, the previous method is that we're using this, go to the further line and then go. So the more you want to go deeper, you have to scroll down, right? But actually, you just need to just click on this and then go here, right? And then, you know, come back to here. So you can see that this is a very powerful analysis tool. And what we should learn in the 90 minutes or 2 hours, right, is that here. What I just the result is the result of applying all these skills here. It's going to be 2 hours, and you can ask your questions, and you have hands-on, and you can ask questions. Now that is what my 2 hours play guides of cost analysis for decision maker. If you want to be some of the top ready for the future works, then you got to learn this skill. Future of work. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Asia. Together, we excel before 50.